ang sa shower. Then,
Morning, how are you?
niya, kita mag-uling. Tapos kung saan, muna ka lang? Right? O, na-describe ka lang?
Sige, ano na, nasa shower na.
Shower na. Okay.
Joshua, you make sure he does it right, okay? Morning, morning, Arnell. How are we doing? Good.
51 ang uling.
Uling sa... Ito na.
Amo, uling na pa. Balik ko na niya.
This is our water heater.
Mauna ka tong kaya sa kanya. Pero ang dire, katong 40 by 40 mong i-compute.
Dili. Pwede na, pwede ka na.
Ay 40 by 40 sana. Lagi ka ba ang kumilag ang gikan? Pwede lang tapasok.
Hundred eighteen.
Oh, niya.
Ora ko ito.
Mura to ang ang door. Mahal din ang door siguro mo do sa tagbilahan kay.
Sa mo pala ito.
Dito mo sa Wilcon. Time. Ang dadap indoor ang good may sa Triumph po. Ang ilang test ako ganahin sa ubat sa ilang test. Sa Wilcon dito ko nakapalit og tile. So kato na lang may
All right, and we got some electrical supplies for the house. Some electrician's doing his job. We're going to get over there and dump that off. This is the rigid conduit. There's the flexible conduit, the wire. We got boxes in here, duplexes. What else we got in here? Duplex boxes, junction boxes, 3.5 millimeter 12/7 wire. There's some other wire here. I'm not sure what this wire is for, but we got everything we need. All right. They picked that up in Tagbilaran today, but the van that they got it in, really it's a passenger van. It's too big, it won't fit down the road into our property, so they dropped it off here at the house, so we're going to take it back over to the job site. All right. Got a neighbor here come down and cleared their lot, and they're putting up a fence, and just kind of a temporary fence to keep people out. What they're going to put a barbed wire up here and a little NEPA on here and an old CR, and they have the same problem that we had, people dumping trash on their property, so they're going to fence it off here and try to keep it somewhat, looks like somebody's been living here actually, and see all the trash that gets dumped in here. People just throw all their garbage.
manginang na ka ana og sabon na ka sa pen. Sa pen man ko na. Ngayon pa